I'm not sure, but these dimmer knobs have been breaking. You can see this actually doesn't fit because I took it from a different light switch. But this one's breaking, so it needs to be replaced. Over here, it's not using the same style. Tried looking online, I can't find it. So finding this model is difficult. So if anyone knows, so it needs to fit this and needs this style or something similar to that. The only thing I see that's equivalent is this style, which is a Lutron model SKDK or SKWH, I think. But they cost about $2-3. If you buy this pack, it's $3 on Amazon, but it's different colors. I bought it anyways. I just want a cheap replacement until I can find these type of ones. I think I found some, but I can't buy it anywhere. It needs to be like a professional or something, or a home builder. But you can see this is breaking. So if anyone knows where I can get replacement knobs for the dimmer, because I guess this isn't common anymore. They use the ones that are like little switches, or ones where you just touch and bring it down. So finding the replacement knob is a problem. So if you have something like this and you need a replacement, I mean, I checked Lowe's.com and Home Depot. Maybe I just need to go in store, but this Lutron Skylark button knob will go in here just snug like this. See, it fits, but it just doesn't go with the design. And this color here is almond, you can see. Whereas I think white matches more. White's $2 on Amazon. That's the fun thing I did this weekend, trying to find this replacement knob for my dimmer.